Sanibonani Lotshani, welcome to another day of the vlog. This is Lindo Mhlanga. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for choosing this vlog. I hope you fall in love and I hope you enjoy this vlog. Guys, vlog but I wanted to show you what's here. Ngiyageza by the way, so guys, so guys, ubuso bami break out. I was very bad sports. Oh sorry guys, I was saying kungcono manje kusele ama-sports nje kuphela njengoba nibona, but bengi-bad kakhulu shem, bengivele i-pimple everyday, like ama-pimples everyday nje, bengivuka ngine-pimple elisha. So and that was because i-cleanser yami, this one, njengoba seyi-week, so iye yachitheka khona la ku-toiletry bag. Ukuthi beyivulekile kanjani angazi shem, I don't know, but ngibone ngayo seyiphansi, then ngadecide ukuyibusela ke ngayikha ngendlela engiyikha ngayo. So bese ingekho clean, lighting bese ingekho clean. Hayi ngizanixolela guys nge-lighting. Hayi bese ingekho clean, so that's why I was breaking out. So decided ukuthi ngiqale ngigeze ngayo yona le cleanser, then ngifaka i-Gentle Magic, le soap ye-Gentle Magic, ngeza ngayo phezulu, but ngizobona ukuthi ngiyenza kanjani. So guys, ngiceda ukupolisha ubuso bami, ukupolisha since bengifake i-cleanser. So now ngizofaka nje amanzi futhi kakhulu, then ngigcobisa insipho le Gentle Magic, then ngiyayeka ngigeze, noyikhipha mase ngiqeda ukugeza ngiyenza as a-mask kahle kahle. So ingisizile shem kakhulu because ayatsha, angazi niyabona, but ayatsha. Wona sesekhona kancane, but ayatsha wasafani na before because bewamakhulu and bewamaningi and bewaluma abuhlungu. So angcono manje. Yeah, so ngizoyiyekela injena guys, ngigeze then ngisusa mangiqeda ukugeza ke. Yeah, sengizobona mangiqeda ukugeza. Yeah, but ngizolibele ngini-update ukuthi sekwenzakalani, ngiba ngcono or kanjani. But kumele ngithole enye cleanser shem, ngithole enye cleanser. But yeah, bye for now guys. Ngigeze ngiqeda. Hi guys, so it's the same day, but it's the same day, no, it's the following day. Nginganjena namhlanje i-24. So yindatha kahle kahle kushaye one. I'm folding this clothes, this laundry kahle kahle washwe namhlanje. I'm folding them right now because kuza umuntu ozolala lana isivakashi, so angeke akhona ukujika vele because uhlala kude. So I'm folding this laundry right now, guys. Imagine ngalesikhathi, and ayeke bandla ngichaza ukuthi hey, I'm crushed intontona no Beyonce uyaba namalanga nje, so ayingajajwani bandla, but okwamanje ithi ngiqhubekela.
Holding it down for me. I know you're good in the hood, but a couple just for me, yeah. When I'm really low, will you still cover for me? Your best to make me feel lovely. When I go, will you still think of me? I need to know for sure, 'cause you got potential. You got potential. Talking that shit, so intriguing. We could go far, go the distance. I could see it. I'm not trying to be all my hopes.
So I'm done, guys, and this is my laundry for last week, the whole of last week. This is my laundry, and I'm gonna call this lavandla. This ilaundry yabazali yonke le, ilaundry yabazali yo fona, ilaundry yabazali yonke le, yami yonke le yo. Amen, guys. Yazini, bye bye.
If you hold me, then let me know it's up. Don't change up on me in the long run. Keep it open, my honey. 'Cause you got potential. You got potential. You got potential.
So guys, akufani kuphuthekile than before, akufani ngizamile bandla, and nalana yizo impahla engizigoqile lezi, so akufani bandla, yeah, akufani. So komesi nje lana because we don't have ama wardrobes yet, but soon kutawuhlangana. So yeah, this is it, guys. I think ngiyolala ke manje. Bye bye yini ke.
Chemistry was crazy from the get-go. Neither one of us knew why. We didn't build nothing overnight, 'cause a love like this takes some time. People swore it off as a phase, said we can't see that. Now from top to bottom, they see that we did that. Yeah, it's so true that we've been through it. Yeah, we got real shit. Yeah, see, baby, we've been too strong for too long, and I can't be without you, baby. And I'll be waiting up until you get home, 'cause I can't sleep without you, baby.
sanibonani Lotshani, welcome to another day of the vlog. So ngizo-installa manje because siyahamba siyemhlubulweni angagezi nogeza. Ngizo-installa. I don't think enhleka angeke ngi-installe nani guys because angina space bandla buku manje ngirecorda nge-WhatsApp cabanga kanti ngithengele nenye iPhone 2 or i-laptop bafowethu please. Hayi ngoba ngiyaguwa shem ngiyafokofa enhleka. So njoba kugcwele nje la ama-hair dryer nani ngizo-installa. So nizongibona sengiqedile guys uku-installa. Angazi nokuthi phambili ngiyovlogga kanjani because ispace shem hayi siyangishaya ngadilitha. Angasho ukuthi sekumele ngibone i-app engingayidelete. Yeah, kumele nje ngibone i-app engizoyidelete then kuzoba nespace ngizokhona ukuvlogga. So yiyo nje into engibhekene nayo leyo. But hayi intonyana encane. So ithi ngiyenzelana guys. I'll show you masengiqeda. I think I'll show you masengigezile vele sengiqede yonke into senginikhombisa ne-outfit yami. Outfit. Yo. Senginikhombisa ne-outfit yami but okwamanje bye. Yeah, izobona namaqeda guys.
Call a radio if you just can't be without you, baby. Yeah. I got a question for you. See, I already know the answer. Still, I wanna ask you, will you lie? No. Make me cry? No. Do something behind my back and then try to cover it up? Well, neither would I, baby. My love is only stepping up. Yes. I'll be faithful. Yes. I'm for real. Yes. And with us, you'll always know the deal. We've been too strong for too long. And I can't be without.
Hi guys, so sise Danwater aspa umama mongenile. Sihambile guys bese emhlubulweni but imvula nje iye yo ngekwana imvula nje strong so kungakadliwa ngiyacabanga namanje akukadliwa vele. So hayi bese silambile ngapha sikhathele so sazihambela slice bar manje sizothenga isinkwa then siye KFC siyothenga yini 5 tontoni yini nje vele but leyo nje leyo combo leyo 5 piece angazi nama minelo 5 or 10 piece I'm not sure but sihambile nje guys emhlubulweni content bengekho dololo bezingakhiphi nje guys but hey ngizobona guys ngizobona nje ukuthi nginihlanganiselani nibe right nibe bright yeah. But okwamanje shemayi ngicela nibe strong ngicela nje nibe nofefe kimi please. So khuluma guys okwamanje bye.
This ain't for you. No, this ain't for you. And if you got it deep in your heart, deep down you know that it's true. Well, let me see you put your hands up. Hands up. Tell your lady she's the one. Tell your lady she's the one. Oh, put your hands up. Hands up. Ladies, let them know he's got your love. Right in his eyes and tell him you've been too strong for too long. And I can't be without you, baby. I'll be waiting up until you get home.
logo, iyancipha imshado, kwanda imingcwabo, akusekho logo, seqhuma isililo, iyancipha imshado, kwanda imingcwabo. Awukade impilo kumele iqhubeke.
Trade you for anybody else singing good day my nigga wakala nonini ntombazane wamuhle muhle majagithi maninga mubona ningafunga ukuthi ngibeyonce smile sakhe makanguka emehlweni sekamoyitela ngathi ngumakoti sacela ukuthi shintshisane ibongo kamdeni uvele uhlangane ngenhloso Sujele mina daliwa Paninga batina mavoko ngothando lwakho Esikwembu shativa kuri wena Ulavita viwanga Bayeke bakuluma lover Sometimes we call it la vida loca I need you to be my señorita Me gustas como eres mi amo Yesu muse no mnyama we I like some melanin mama Slenda yana esiphathe Mawujule bamba lento vele na immovable Tell me now uthi ngilatheni imali yamalopo
Sis!
Shikomusha chitiva inkwaso Brown skin girl Your skin just like pearls The best thing in the world I'd never trade you for anybody else Singing brown skin girl Your skin just like pearls The best thing in the world I'd never trade you for anybody else Singing
I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah.
Thina sibhizi mina lilele. Brown akulalwa la. Juju akulalwa la.
I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing, baby. I'm saying, baby. Love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and put a drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Yeah, it's taking that off for me. I got the plug, I made the call for me. Talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't make me wait, no,
don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone.